everyone, welcome to Lockdown Crafts with Pile. Today we are going to make two crafts because today is Sunday and fun day. So let's start. Today we are going to make a gift box and a bookmark. So let's start. For that we will need a CD. You can take a big bowl also. Then we will need ruler. You can take big or small, eraser, pencil, and we need only pencil, no pen. Then we will need scissor and a sheet of paper which is 15 by 15 size paper, and the second size is you can take any size. I recommend you to take you can take a piece from the chart paper as I have done, or you can take a A4 size paper also. So first we are going to keep everything aside and only take our square sheet of paper. So you can take any color. If you don't have colored paper, you can take newspaper or rough paper. So we will take our, first we are going to make a bookmark. So take the square sheet, keep it like this, so it is like a diamond shape. Now fold this corner to this corner and press it. Now open it. Now you flip it and do the same by folding this corner to this corner and press it. And it is really important that your corners should join. Now fold this corner to this corner. And you must be having a question that why we are folding it again and again. We are folding it again and again so our folds will be strong and it will look good also. And we will not face any difficulty to fold it. Now open it and flip it. Now what we are going to do is fold this corner to this corner again and press it. Now fold this corner to the up, this point, or you can say this corner till the middle line. Both are correct. So fold this corner up here all till the middle line and press it. Now do the same by folding this corner up and press it. So you can see we have got a diamond shape. Now what we are going to do is to open these two, and you can see this up one, this should join here. I repeat, this should join here, or these two corners you can see we have to join to these two corners, but not taking the both. We are gonna take the one. Here the book will go inside, so this corner will go here like this. You can see this corner is touching here and these two corners are touching the line, and press it well. Okay, now from here starts the tricky part. To see it, now take it like this. This corner will go up. Now fold this corner up and you can see open this. See, this could first open it and by the thumb put it up. Okay, now this you can see pocket has come. Now fold this corner inside. Now how to fold it? So push this in and press it. So this corner you can see should go inside. Put it inside and press it well so it will not peep out, and press it. Now do the same. I will show you again if you are confused. Open this corner, push it up like this and press it. Now you can see this inside pocket. Put this corner inside, so this corner will join inside. Put it in and then press. Was it easy? Now press it. Now you can put your book inside this, and if you want you can draw faces also to decorate your bookmark. You can decorate your bookmark and this pocket will go inside the bookmark. Was it this bookmark easy? Do try it. And your bookmark is ready. You can decorate it as you want, as this is your bookmark. Now we are going to make a gift box which is very special. So let's start. So here I have taken a blue piece of paper. You can take a newspaper also. Now I have a CD. You can also take a bowl also. Now what you are going to do, keep your CD on the paper which you have. Now take pencil, and I again repeat that do not take a pen, or the markings will be seen inside the box and we don't want it. So keep your, this one you can see colorful side should be up. Now put it on your paper and with the pencil make a border of it. So I'm gonna make it. Okay, so I have a circle here. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna take our ruler and in the center of the circle. Now how to find the center? So again keep your CD or bowl and you can see this middle small circle is there. From there you can understand, or you can easily keep your ruler and this half two circles you will see. From there you can make marks. Now with the help of these marks we can make, and it should be correct center. Now like this slanting line. Okay, now from here starts the tricky part. So see it. So take again your CD and you can see we have made these 2 points. Put your CD on these 2 points. So these 2 points should join to these 2 points. I repeat, these 2 points should join to these 2 points. So keep it on these 2 points as you can see and make a circle again. So keep a distance little and make a circle. Okay, now we don't need the middle circle because these 2 lines are linked to these 2 lines. So what you have to do, you can see this point we have made, it will be the center automatically. So make a line like this. Now this, you can see this corner will be the horizontal line of the center automatically. Now we are gonna cut this. Now we have to cut only the outer side. So circle, 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 not the inner side. Okay, so now I have cut the cutouts only from the sides. Now what we are gonna do, you can see we have made these 2 line corners. At the corners, take your CD or bowl and the corners should be placed on these 2 corners. I repeat, we have made these 2 corners. The CD or the bowl should be joined or placed on the corners. So place it on the corner neatly and then make a line. And it will take some time to adjust. And make a line. We are gonna do the same to this. We are not gonna do this because we have already made. Okay, so now I have made like this lines. So now what we are gonna do, this is the hardest part. So now you can see this curved lines, we are gonna fold it. So keep your finger at the line and press it, so it will be more easier, and then curve it like this. Put your finger here and curve it on the line. If you don't curve the at the line, it's okay, but it should be like this curved. And we are gonna do the same all the sides, but not this side because we are gonna fold it like this. I will show you one more because it is the hardest. So at this corner you can see, put your finger and fold it. You can also use the ruler and make the curve at the line like this. Press it both the corners and then curve the line. And it is a very small box, so you have to keep any chocolates or any small thing, and do the same to this, but not the middle. Now I have made all the sides curved, so now the box will look like this. Now what you have to do, open it, flatten it, and take your ruler, and you can see this middle line, folds. Put your ruler there and put the paper on it. What will happen, the middle line when we will fold, no, it will be like this. So the chocolate or anything we are putting, it will get support and it will not open. Okay, now we have made a line. Now again do it like this. You can again see the video if you are getting any difficulties. And now the down one will be inside. What I mean, this, push it in and then put it inside, and again I will show you again, inside, and this you can see will come on the paper. So inside, and it will come on the paper. And again you can put a ribbon, or you can take a strip of paper and tie it, and your box is done. You can keep anything in your box and give it to anyone, and your box is ready. If you liked my today's video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.